Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, we'll show you how to prevent special characters in your first name validation. So if you go to checkout, a common issue is people will be trying something like some hash DE, right? If someone try this, it will show errors like this. And if they only give a proper name only, the error will be removed. So this is the counter setup. So for this, we're using Checkout Ninja app from Shopify App Store. You can also install this app from Shopify App Store, and I also attach the link of this particular app in the description and as commented as first comment. And after you install the app, you can open the app. After opening the app, you can go to role section. You can see in the side menu roles. You can create a new checkout role. You can give a name, first name validation. Next, you can add the condition, and you can select from here first name, and you can give any of those options. So for validations, it's better you can give regex, and we are pasting the regex validation. This validation is basically checking, allowing all the characters and everything. And next thing is you are adding the action. So the action is we show an error message. We should show this is for first name, right? So we should show in the first name section. And once you have that, you can add the custom message for that. I'm adding this one, only letters and spaces are allowed. And you can make it active and you can make it saved, right? Once you saved, you can go back and you can see you need to activate the rule executor block to your checkout. So this only works with Shopify Plus merchants. So you can go to settings, checkout, customize. You can add a new block. You can select role executor and you can save the changes. Yeah, that's it. You now successfully created that. And if you go to the checkout, you can see if I enter any number, something like that, it will show the error. And once I give only the proper name only, there is no errors. So this is how you can validate your first name for your better checkout visibility. And if you're finding this video helpful, please do share, subscribe to our channel, and the app link is in the description. You can check it out. Thank you.